that's it. So we are going to explore North Goa today. See Christmas bells and star. Yeah, you see this house? So this is on top of the church, guys. We are not allowed to go beyond this. There's a beautiful Shiva statue over here. Yeah. And
Something like scooter with two wheels, no? Like olden aircraft. Hello viewers.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to
Travel and fun.
Yes.
We wish you a very, very, very happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Yes, and today we have come to explore a little bit of North Goa. Yeah, and here we are at the famous Fontenas. What we call the Fontenas. It's an old Portugal colony where you have a lot of colorful houses and all. So just good for some photo shoot and all. And we are with our new boy. You see, our all new Volkswagen Polo. So it was a wonderful drive until here, and we have Abbas and Muskan also with us.
Hi guys, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, so we are at Fontenas, and I think this will be a very good place to have some good photo shoot. Yes? What do you think?
Yes.
I think there are a lot of colorful houses and all over here. So you can see we have parked our car here, and
We're going to walk.
yeah, we are going to walk all the way inside. So you can see at the starting itself there are some colorful houses, some yellow, red, and all. We'll go inside and see what we have to show you.
There, yeah. So guys,
Yeah,
this place is very beautiful. Seriously.
for photography, it's
Photography and for wedding photo shoot kind
it's
of
amazing.
stuff. It's amazing.
Yeah, you can see the backdrop. Yeah, these houses and all. We took some photographs also. You see, all in different colors. I guess. I think I've heard that in Goa, most of the places and most people they like the
Colours, bright
colors. Yeah,
colours.
bright colors, and mostly yellow and orange type shades. It's really good. And they have preserved those old
Portugal type.
structure everywhere. You see, still just right ahead of it. Yeah, you see this house. So it's still a dwelling place, but they have preserved the old structure. You see, so good. Like they have preserved everything. It's all wooden houses and all. I mean, not wooden houses. The structure is wooden. You can see the floor and all is wooden above. Yeah, so it's good. Anaka is busy taking photographs over there. You can see. Yeah, it's really nice. Restaurants also you can see, like what I can see here is the Panjab Inn. So there are some restaurants and everything. Whatever you want, you'll get it inside this colony, I guess. It's a dwelling colony. Yeah. And the reason why we are not wearing masks is just because it's not crowded now.
Nobody is here.
Nobody's there around us, but we are carrying our masks with us.
Can't chhodko.
Yeah. So whenever we find crowd, we will wear our masks.
Because it's very hot and we
Yeah.
feel suffocated.
Yeah. So please make sure whenever you go outside, if there's crowd, wear your mask and follow safety practices. Yeah. Look at this house, guys. It's beautiful. You can see this pink one here. Yeah. And Anaka seems to be fascinated by these lights. Yeah. Nice. And then you can see that one old house over there and a comparatively newly painted one here.
not a wow place.
Yeah.
But like, a different.
If you come
experience.
to North Goa, if you want this place to be ticked in your bucket list from Goa, then yes, you can come here.
But the houses are very cute.
Yeah, I think we can go this lane and get in there.
Houses are very, very cute.
Yeah.
The way they have decorated. And during Christmas,
Yeah,
it's
during
all-
Christmas, Goa itself is very beautiful.
Goa is very beautiful during Christmas.
Because-
And from Diwali,
Yeah.
we can come to Goa anyways because the light they put for Diwali, it'll keep on increasing till New Year.
Yeah,
Entire lights will be on and the Goa will be like glowing.
yeah.
So guys,
We left Fontanas and
we reached to Our Lady of
Immaculate Conception
Immaculate
Church.
Conception Church.
Yeah. So
This
is,
church looks similar to the church we went in Italy.
and also in Paris.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in Paris, I don't know. It was stacked. Also, we had to climb up this way and go over there on the top. So we have come here and there's a lot of people here. Lot of people. So you have to be safe, wear your mask and all. And our car,
Hello.
yeah, standing there. And guys, we have to be very careful while driving in North Goa. Yeah, yeah, you have to be very careful while driving in North Goa. Take it easy. Yeah, just be careful. There's a lot of traffic, lot of people coming in. Yeah. So this is the place. We don't know much about this place. Just we'll go in, we'll take some photographs, and
No,
we'll.
this is a very good church here.
Yeah,
It's
a
a
church.
famous tourist destination.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and show you the place. Yeah. You can see a lot of people here.
So I'm an Albert Ripple.
People have ate Domino's pizza and made the place dirty. As
Don't do
always.
this, people. You have enough and more dustbins,
Yeah,
especially in Goa.
as usual, all irresponsible travelers. So people pray and light their candles here. So this is on top of the church, guys. We are not allowed to go beyond this
Hi guys.
barrier. Yeah, there's Muskan and our Santa Claus Anaka taking photos. Yeah, and from the top you get this view. You see? It's nice, all in the middle of a city. You
There's
have
a
this
big,
place,
huge
big church, which gives this view.
White church.
There's nothing much more
It's a
to
white
see here,
church.
so we are moving off from here. Let's go to the next destination. Yeah. So guys, we came to this Anjuna beach
Beach.
looking for the flea market.
But the flea market is closed.
Yes, for your information, the flea market is closed this year. You don't have this flea market and kind of stuff because of the COVID problem. And now we will try to
We
go to.
just came to this UV bar, and from here we will get an amazing.
Yeah, you can see just behind us here. There's the beach.
Shiva.
There's a beautiful Shiva statue over here. Yeah, and I think next we'll just go
Very
to this
good.
beach and we'll head on to Kalangut and we'll see what market we have there.
Muskan, have this, no? So guys, this is the interior view of this UV bar. Here there will be Christmas parties, New Year parties, Holi parties and all.
But we don't know about this year. But today they said I think for Christmas they have some
Yeah,
party.
there is some party for Christmas today. But we will not be staying for party and all. We will just sit here for some time, just see the sunset and we'll go.
Yeah, it's
And
quite
in
good place
Anjuna
here.
Beach, you have this paramotoring.
Mm-hmm.
That is also cool. So,
What is this paramotoring?
like auto rickshaw, trouser alla. Endanadu? Scooter.
Mm-hmm.
Something like scooter with two wheels, no?
Mm-hmm.
Like olden aircraft.
Mm-hmm.
Such things is going up with the para. We'll have this parasailing and all, no?
Mm-hmm.
Parasailing.
Similar.
Similar to that, like the person can sit in a seat,
Mm-hmm.
like in a wheelchair kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, ഒരു കാര്യമില്ലാതെ അഞ്ജന തിരിച്ചു വന്നു.
we are back from Anjuna.
We just spent only 10 minutes there and we came to Kalangu to beach and we are going to flea market here.
See Dreamcatcher.
Fish farm.
Yeah.
Video to go?
You can get fish spa here. The Dreamcatcher. Chinese fried rice. What are you looking for?
I am looking for a dream catcher. I want a red color dream catcher.
Which dream do you want to catch? So many dreams, huh?
Yeah. I want to catch all the bad dreams.
And throw it away?
Throw it away. Show me. Hey guys, so we reached back home.
Yes, and that was our Christmas come New Year day outing. We did a lot of shopping. I mean, not lot, somewhat little
Like-
bit of shopping.
It was an unplanned day, but the entire day we did some things.
Yeah, so very unplanned as Anu told, and we did some little bit of shopping. Yeah.
Yeah, I was in search of a dream catcher for a car.
Yeah, and
So-
she got it. So we'll show it to you when we put it back in our car once it is set. Yeah, and we also have to get the number plate for our car fixed and this stuff, and I have to get my car washed once now.
So all these things were shot on our Christmas day.
Yeah.
So we both
Because we have a lot of videos coming, one or two videos coming in between that. Maybe one video of our car purchase. But the review of the car will come later.
Yeah. After a good hands-on experience, it will come.
Yeah, possibly after we reach Kerala, because by that time we'll have a good long drive with the car.
also, yeah.
So, but the video of the purchase of the car will come very soon. Yeah, before this video comes.
Yes.
So,
So
hope you
we
guys
are wishing you all a very, very, very happy New Year.
and a Merry Christmas. Yeah.
Yes.
And
So let the next year, let 2021 be a very good year for us.
unlike 2020.
Yes.
Let's hope that
Let's
COVID
hope
goes out.
every negativity is out in 2020 and it ends there, and the 2021 will bring you a lot of good news and positives.
Yes, and with this positive note, we would like to end this video and end this year 2020
Yes,
and
and
head for the next year.
Next year with a good start, a good smile, and a warm welcome.
Yes. So that's it for today, and hope you guys liked the video, and hope you guys liked car too. Yeah.
Yes.
And do let us know your comments on our car.
So those who haven't watched our videos, please go and watch. Please subscribe, comment, and feel free to do all that.
share it with your friends, family, and everyone. So that's it. Once again, a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. That's it.
Till our next video, it's bye from us.
Bye bye.